Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video back on the extension, and we're starting to work on the steels today, guys. We are going to start in the living room here. We got some ceiling to take down because we're going to be planning to get a steel up inside the ceiling. We've got a steel post to sort out there as well, so we're going to be working on all that as well. So first things first is to take this off and start doing some support work. So in here, if you guys remember, we've got some timber beams that are holding up the wall above. So we're going to be removing those timber beams. So we're going to support the wall above with some acros and some strong boys. And then we plan to take those timber joists out, and that's where our new steel is basically going to go to replace those existing timber beams. We've been smashing, breaking, throwing up the road, rubbish and all that stuff, and let me show you guys what we've done so far. Right, so as you can see, we're taking a big chunk of this ceiling down. So we're gonna strip this whole ceiling down anyway. It's all gonna be replaced. This is the old school fiberboard. You can see someone skimmed over it and with some sort of bonding, and then they've skimmed it, and then later on it's been wallpapered. So yeah, it's all gonna come down. We're gonna put new plasterboard. Obviously, once it's all been rewired and stuff, we're just gonna replace it all. So what I wanted to show you guys now, you can see the beam properly. So what we've done is, you can see we made a hole through here. There's a thermalite wall here, so we're putting the strong boys in here. I can show you one we've done here, just to show you what that looks like. So this is supporting that wall there, and we've got it spanning a couple of joists. The joists go this way, so we're spanning it over onto where the joists are. And so we've done one here now, and this is where we're pretty much at. So we're gonna go for lunch now. We come back, we're gonna continue putting that in. What we'd like to try and do today is to get these 3 beams out. We're gonna have to cut them and get them out. It's not gonna be easy to get these out. So they go inside the wall here. They're actually sticking out the wall out there. So we're gonna probably try and cut them here and maybe cut it here. Get it out maybe in 3 sections. This one sits on the wall here. This is what we need to check here, because it may run all the way through to the stairs. So we need to open up the ceiling here, see where it's going. It actually has to get cut somewhere here. So we're gonna have a look into that. The thing is, if it does go all the way across, then we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna cut that. It's gonna be a bit tricky here, because we can't just cut it there. It's got nothing to be supported on. If it's supported, and if it's basically sharing this wall for either side. So we're gonna have to look in that. If that is the case, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Either have to replace that whole section there, or the steel's gonna have to go below, but we're gonna see. Hopefully we can get it up. Anyway, but that's what we're gonna do when we come back. And yeah, just preparing to get the steels in. So the first steel we're gonna get in. Also, we're preparing in here to get boxing and concrete under here, which we already done the digging and sorted out there, so that when we come on Monday, this column can basically go in place. Once that column goes in place, as you can see, they're gonna cut the wall right here. We're gonna break all this down today. Once that column is in place, then the next steel beam, one of the big ones outside, is gonna sit on top of it. It's gonna go through that wall, so we're gonna have to break a hole through, and it's gonna sit on the external wall. That's our first 2 pieces. When those 2 pieces go in, that one's fairly simple. That one's fairly simple, and the little one is fairly simple. So the tricky one is here. I say it's simple, but actually it's not too difficult, because we're trying to get this in the ceiling. It means we have to cut all the ends of those joists off as well. So we're gonna have to support this floor here. Let's cut every rafter that way, cut every rafter that way, so that we can get them basically to hang off the steel. So yeah, it's kind of straightforward, but it's a lot of work to do.
You give yourself enough space to get through the hole, so you need to move over a bit. Thank you.
Guys, that is us for today. Wow, what a crazy day. Absolutely crazy day. You can see I tried to clean myself. Dust today. Woo! Breaking, cutting walls, breaking bricks, taking off ceilings, roofs, all that sort of stuff. But yeah, we did all right today as a first day on the steel work. So we'll be back Monday. And I think by Monday we'll be ready. We would have been ready to start fitting steels. Hopefully by Tuesday we can start fitting the first steels in. And my mind is that we might get 2 in that day. One of them is one of them will be the second heaviest steel that we got, which is I think 480 kilograms. 480 kilograms. We have a 500 and something kilogram one as well, 560 or something like that. Those are the 2 heaviest ones. But the one going in this living room that's going to go in the ceiling is 480 or 460 or something like that. So crazy heavy. But guys, let me show you guys what we did anyway. So as you can see, we're looking up to upstairs now. This is where our safe was. Remember that safe that was hidden there? It used to be right here. So what we've done is we've made this space here. Put our acros on this side because our steel's going to come in through here. You can see this is where steel's going to be going underneath this thermalite block wall. It's going to be coming down the column here and it's going to go down below there. So what we have to do is on Monday as well is break some more through that so that the steel can go all the way through. We'll probably break a big section out so that we can actually get the steel in there properly and get it through to the other side. And the plan is also to get finished and down under there and concrete under there. We need to pull this metal thing out from the other side and then we can sort out our concrete. So we want to pour that concrete on Monday, so that by Tuesday we're ready to basically put that in. And that's pretty much where we are, guys. It's the site is a bomb site. It's demolition. We also had a lot of moving to do. We had to move some of these steels that were here. We had to move them into there. I mean, look at the size of these ones. And these are not the heaviest, biggest ones. So we had to do that because we need to cut a bit of the floor here. Basically, where we had taken out the wooden floor, we need to cut this section of plywood out. And then we need to, so that we can do our boxing in down there. Showing you on the other side, I was telling you about this joist here. So there was 3 joists here. The biggest one, which was the main one that was underneath the wall, sat on the wall here and it ran all the way onto the wall there. That was actually the main one. Then there was 2 of them that was nailed together with it, or beside it. That ran all the way to here. You can see they're sort of doubled up and then taken off this joist here. So obviously we had to cut those because there'll be no bearing for them on that side. So what we're going to have to do is replace them. But first what we'll do is we'll have to, there's a big one there. We'll have to double off it from here to that one. And then we can take that one there. It's only supporting that little bit of flooring there above. So once the steel's in, we'll put a double there and put that double back, a new one in. Yeah, guys, that is it. So we are off to relax and rest our weary muscles for the weekend. Until we're back and the real hard heavy lifting work starts again next week. So yeah, it's just gonna be lots and lots of steel work anyway. Well, guys, that's it for us. We are off. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Whatever you do, be safe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So please like and share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Thanks for watching.